What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Old Farts Garage. So I posted a picture of this box here yesterday just as a quick short, and then on my Facebook also. And I'll be damned if not everybody wants to know what's in the box. So as promised, I'll go ahead and show you what's in the box. Nothing too exciting unless you're a car builder, but just to kill your guys' curiosity, let's see what's inside here. All right. Okay. I'm gonna set this down on the ground so I could reach in there better and lay the stuff down on the table. First thing we got, packing. Second thing we got, more packing. Can't pop it. Doggone it. All right. Here we go. All right. First of all, we have this is a rubber sealing to go in between your fenders and your body, you know, and the cowl and the body. But as you can see, it's just padding, you know, the seal to put in between your body parts to your truck. I got 2 packs of that, and then I got this one here, which is also the same thing for certain parts of your truck. Okay, this one's more of a, you know, see, it's kind of more of a leather with it's kind of like an upholstery type thing, but not for upholstery. It goes for your fenders and stuff like that, and other body parts. Got 2 of those. All right, let's move those over there. All right, what else we got here? All right, let me see. Okay, next thing we got, 2 little lamps. Those will go underneath my dash so that when I open my door, the lights will come on. It even has the little, see right there? Those go for your door. Okay, those are the buttons that will turn them on or turn them off when you open and close your door. All right. And then we got headlamps. Okay. Oh, hey, Maddie. Dog just ran into my tripod. There we go. Let's put you back in there. Thank you, Maddie. Okay. So there's one there. I'm sure there's another one in here somewhere. All right. Then what we got here. All right. This is more lighting stuff. Okay. See? This is for my tail lights and I take that back. This is for the high and low beam, okay, to my headlights and stuff. Got that. Here's the other headlamp. All right, got that bulb. All right, what do we got here? Uh-huh. All right. New dome light. Okay. Okay. That's the light for my cab. Okay, dome light. Okay. Get that. Some new bevels for my parking lights that go on my hood. All right. And that's the padding that goes behind them. All right. The other one's in here somewhere. Okay, here's the other bevel. Okay, for my parking light. All right. This one is, this one's my brake pad and my accelerator pad, my gas pad. So, got some new foot pedals. Here, let's open that one up real quick so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay. Gas pedal. All right. And brake pedal. All right. So that's what that is. Oh no. All right, this one here, it's all the little clips and springs and stuff for the headlight adjustments. All the little screws, all kinds of little cool stuff. That all goes for the headlight assembly that goes on the grill. That's all the little screws and springs and adjustment chingaderas. Yeah. Then we got, let's see what else we got in here. Yep. Some more of this is the actual adjustment screw, the retainer screw and stuff for the headlights, you know, all the brand new connectors and stuff for the wiring. Got a tail light connections there. Got two of them. So that all goes in here too. Put that in here. That way they'll stay together. All right, let's see what else we got. Okay. All right. So this one here is for the headlights. It's the bezel for the actual headlight itself. Okay. You got two of them. They're the chrome rings that go around the outside of the lights, you know. These are brand new, nice, clean ones. It's gonna make the truck look nice. You know, nothing like some brand new parts. All right, what do we got here? What's this one here? Let's open it up and find out. Oh, brand new parking light covers. All right, got two of those. Okay. That's that one there. This is the other one. That's for the parking lights. All right. Next one. Brand new reverse light. Yes, my truck does have reverse. And that's my reverse light. Brand new, nice and shiny and chromed up and everything. All right, put that one back in the box. You guys wanted to see it, so what do we got here? Okay. This is a complete taillight assembly. All right, that's the bezel and the mounting. Okay, it's a little foam gasket that goes around it. The light bulb. Okay. And the lens. And there's two of these. So those are for the tail lights. And it's not going to go in the way I took it out. It never does, of course. There we go. All right. Okay, so there's two of these. All right. Let's see what else we got in here. Whew. All right. The parking light housing. Okay. That's where these will mount. The cover will go right in there. Watch. So you got the parking light set up. And when it's all mounted into the hood and everything, then you got the cover. Okay? So that's what these are. And you got two of these. Okay. Oh well. Anyways, there's two of those. All right. Here's the other one. Okay. There's two of those. Oh man. Then we got new gas tank straps. All right. These are for my gas tank. So. They were back ordered, so I finally got them. That's why they came in with this setup. All right. And last but not least, here it is, folks. Last one. Got the headlights. All right. If I can get the dang thing open. This is the actual bulb for my headlights. Okay. Look at there. Huh? Oh yeah. It's the brand new headlights for the truck. And it's got the light up ring around it. And then you got the center bulb. So that's what's in there. So, anyways, that's everything that's in the box. And you guys wanted to know, so now you know. All right. Oh, and it also has the connections. There's two of those. All right. So, anyways, that's what we got. All brand new lighting. Okay, all the connectors, all the bulbs, all the housings, everything you need to light up the truck. So, anyways, hope you enjoyed that. And until next time, y'all have a good day and God bless.